Hello everyone and welcome to weekly Enecuum news. And this digest will bring you up to speed with the latest updates from our team and projects. Joining us today, as usual, Roman and Serge. And let's get started. First of all, let's start with mobile development. And here we're pleased to announce that we're adding a PWA application to the Play Store, and now it's under validation on the Google side. So, Serge, please, a couple of words about
it. Technically, status of Google review is negative, but it is not POA mining. It is because of privacy policy that and data collecting that Google do not like how it is described in our application form. It is rather strange because we use only Google services to collect data, but it is how it is. So I hope that we will manage to fix Google, fulfill Google rules considering data management, and PWA application with POA mining will be in the Google Play Store.
And let's move on. Let's talk about the breach. And now we are practically finished everything on the Enecuum side. However, we have encountered a minor bug on the Ethereum and Ethereum-like network size. So, rest assured, our team is actually working to resolve this issue, and we expect to fix it soon. Serge, please add a couple of words about it.
Yeah, so three weeks ago we started deploying our final version of the bridge to final tests. So first week we updated Bit network. Second week we updated Ethereum-based network, including BNB, Smart Chain Testnet. But so we hoped that last week we will present you the whole bridge test suite. But unfortunately, we encountered issues with transaction handling between Ethereum networks, and currently we are investigating and trying to resolve this issue. So that is the status of the bridge deployment.
Yes, thank you. And I would like to say one more time that we appreciate your patience and understanding during this difficult time for our team. Thank you very much for your patience. And let's move on. And the next news is about temporary first block output frequency. And here we investigated the matter and identified a potential problem, which we have successfully eliminated. And currently, we are closely monitoring the network to ensure the performance and everything is okay. But look-wise, everything is fine. So, Serge, please tell us more about it.
Unfortunately, I didn't hear you well. So, in case it's not only for me, but for the recording also, I will repeat that you spoke about updated mining procedure in Enecuum main network to fix occasional long time between blocks, and the reason was in handling of custom token mining with slots. So when there were the threshold to receive a mining slot was higher and less mining tokens, the issue were not observable, but it was from the beginning. But now with the lowered stake to have fixed guaranteed mining slot, we started to achieve these stoppages or long time between blocks. So we figured out that it was because of waiting for custom token miners that are connected as miners, but do not respond to POS node for signing microblocks. So when mining of Enecuum happens, there are a lot of miners, and if some miner do not respond, then other miner takes its place. But in case of mining custom tokens, there are some tokens with small number of miners. In this case, it can happen that not a single miner responds to POS node, and in this case, stoppage happens. So we modified the algorithm to be waiting more than time between allowed time between blocks. So this fix happened, I think, 2 weeks ago. We just waited to check to see that this actually happens. So now we can tell that it was a successful fix. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry for long and technical details.
Yeah, thank you, Serge. And let's move to the next news, and it's about DVRF. And here we went from theoretical part to practice. So, game, Serge, your word, and one more time, please tell us more about it.
So, yeah, we spoke about DVRF previously, and our recent news, I think it was about publishing of our article for conference. So, but we all the time we mentioned that DVRF were not our goal. It was just like a point of competing Trinity 2.0 with the current randomness solutions like top in the market from Chainlink's implementation of DVRF. But now we look that there is no easy and quick way to implement Trinity 2.0 algorithm that is much more complicated than VRF or DVRF. We decided to go from theoretical aspects into practical and possibly make it a new product and add new utility, additional utility for Enecuum miners, utility to perform randomness, verifiable randomness generation for Ethereum-like networks. EVM networks, like Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and so we moved from theoretical to practical plane and started development. So I think it will be some like small and easy to implement version, because we have different approaches how DVRF may work on top of Enecuum network. So it might be POS based, it might be POA based, which is maybe more interesting for cell phone, mobile device users, but it is more complicated. So I think we will start with POS DVRF implementation, and I hope it will bring attention. It would be useful, and then we will see how it might be developed and improved. For example, adding POA miners to the randomness generation also. It happened also along this description. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, and we have the last news. It's not about development, it's about business. Here we are currently in negotiations with a smartphone manufacturer to explore opportunities for implementing Enecuum technologies on their devices, and it's really cool, first of all, and we are working with these guys for quite a long period of time, but now we are moved to the active phase of negotiations, and it will bring very cool use case for our ecosystem, for our networks. Serge, please.
It is still in negotiation phase, but we like step by step we are moving further, and it might be very, very interesting. Might bring interesting results. So I don't know what to say actually. So contact from that Michael found during one of the conference meetings, business contact of a cell phone manufacturing company that developing a cell phone with integrated blockchain. So there are many with integrated cell phones with integrated various crypto wallets, but products with dedicated blockchain. So there were some attempts to create one of them. We already negotiated and even made kind of partnership. It was Pandy X and their dedicated smartphone, but unfortunately our ways diverged, and there were various reasons to stop this project. So there were quite a long time with no interest in such cell phones, but now it is like a new new start with new understanding of market, of users, and it can be it can bring different results. So I think that approach from this company is very, very practical, and I think it might bring success to them, and for Enecuum it will bring more attention, and possibly we can make partnership in terms of pre-installed Enecuum apps on those phones. So let's see. It might also bring new users, or it will be just like our technology implemented in a separate product, like additional trust in our technology. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Serge, and we will keep you informed as this negotiation process and on updates in this field too. And we had one question about the price target from our community, and it's really difficult to set any price target now, especially on such a volatile market as crypto. We would hope for our price performance would makes our community happy. So let's see. That's something I can say this way. Tuning into our news digest, the recording of this episode will be available in a couple of hours. Stay tuned for more updates. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Serge, thank you for your comments. Oh, bye-bye.
Thank you, Roman. Bye.